Hello viewers, welcome to Binoy's Travelscope. We are in Pune and the first place that we are going to visit is Kasba Ganpati, the Gram Devta of Pune. Rajmata Jijabai built the temple, though this was destroyed by the Bijapur forces when Jijamata came here with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and she started the city of Pune. So they had the Soneka plough done and a ritualistic puja done and Kasba Ganpati was reinstated as a Gram Devta. Today we are in Pune, the seat of the power of the Peshwas Shaniwar Wada. I hope you like this and will subscribe to our channels. We'll showcase you the entire culture of Pune and we'll also tell you about the person with whom we are doing the walk so that when you come to Pune, you can contact him. Shaniwar Wada. We'll just show you a glimpse of the Wada. The entire Wada was burned down by the British when they captured Pune. The Tatbandi or the boundary wall and the Buruj is still strong enough. Shaniwar Wada has its own share of horror stories. This is the Narayan Darwaza. He was the Peshwa but was unfortunately killed by his uncle Raghunath Rao. There's a famous saying known as Kaka Mala Vatswa, Kaka Mala Vatswa. This is the gate through which he ran, and this is the place of the ruined Wada of Peshwa Raghunath Rao. He was responsible for taking the Maratha boundaries up to Afghanistan in Otok. But unfortunately, due to the struggles in the family, he has also been held responsible for the murder of Peshwa Narayan Rao. Now, showing you the Hazari Karanji. This was a place where thousand sprout fountain would come in. There are only two in the world, one in Rome, which is functional. But when the British burned the Shaniwar Wada, the fountain also was destroyed completely. You can see the Wada is so distinct, so beautifully done. This is the Laal Mahal in which Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had cut three fingers of Shaiste Khan when he came to destroy Swaraj. Now we are inside the Vishrambaug Wada, first chowks of the Wada. This was built by Bajirao II when he left Shaniwar Wada for over here. Now at the Aga Khan Palace, and this is made by the spiritual leader of the Khoja Ismailis, Aga Khan. This is now dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. Let's come inside. It's a very quiet, peaceful place. The palace is beautifully made. You can see the annex over there. There's an entire gallery on Mahatma Gandhi. बंद कर दो. Hello viewers, we are at the iconic Chitle Bandhu Mithai Wale. They are very well known in Pune. You can get very good tasty bhakar wadis over here. You can see their entire shop. Right from mithais to everything that is there with them. So when in Pune, do visit Chitle Bandhu Mithai Wale. We are at Khunya Murlidhar Devastan. If you see, what is the meaning of Khunya Devastan, Murlidhar? This temple was made by a very rich merchant and he got a dream that he has to build a Krishna temple. Special artisans were got from Jaipur to build the temple. But Peshwa Bajirao II heard about the beauty of the idol and wanted the idol to be serviced in the Shaniwar Wada. But the merchant did not agree as Lord had told him to service him over here. To protect the idol, the merchant had got fought Arab mercenaries while the Peshwa army came before the Stapna is done, and there was a big fight, but the priest had already consecrated the idol over there and idol could not be moved. This is one of the most beautiful temples that you can see. If you are in Pune, you must try Sujata Mastani. Very nice ice cream and chocolate shake place. There are a lot of flavors around. You can see the crowd, they're enjoying a lot. Let's try this out. Quite yum, quite refreshing. We are now in Pune at Hotel Shreyas. It's a very famous place for especially Maharashtrian thali. I have a thali in front of me. We have the masala puri, the normal puri, and the chapati. Look at the size of the chapati, it's quite big. You have batata vada. This is the traditional Maharashtrian aloo sabji. This is the आलू वड़ी सी सब्जी आलू का पान जो होता है जिसका आलू का पान जो बोलते हैं उसकी सब्जी वी हैव द छोले वी हैव आमटी वी हैव टोमेटो साग वी हैव दही वड़ा and we have this traditional sangad sabji which is a specialty of Maharashtrians. We also have puran poli and basundi. So let's try and see how it is. I'll go with the sweet because I like sweets. The basundi is quite thick. You see the texture, it's quite thick, it's not very patla. It's yum, not too sweet. The puran poli is soaked in ghee as you can see. There's also sweet milk over here. The puran poli is soaked in ghee as you can see. So I'm just tasting the puran poli. Perfect. Let's take the sabji. We'll start with the aloo sabji. Quite nice. The sangar sabji. No different. This is made from chana dal and sabjis. Let's see the batata vada. Quite good. The entire food is not very oily. Spices are very good. No jasti tikkat. I think you can enjoy here. We have with us Mr. Randeep, who has been guiding us on the Pune Heritage Walk. He has been doing this walk for many years. Let us hear from him what kind of walks he has and how you can contact him. Yes, Randeep.
Hi, my name is Randir. I've been doing heritage walks in Pune for the past 3 years now. We do 4 walks primarily. Like one is the Shaniwar Wada walk, the second one is the Royal Wada walk, the third one is the Royal Temple walk, and the fourth is the food walk in the old city. The fifth walk we have added a new bike trail, which is the Freedom Bike Trail. We cover all of the freedom fighters from Pune. So these are the 5 walking tours we do in Pune.
Thank you. And can you share your contact details for our viewers?
Sure. Yeah. You can contact us on Instagram. It's called the Pune Heritage Walks. Also, you can contact me on my personal number. Like the number is 91-306-41707. You can send me a WhatsApp and we can like do a private walk for you also.
Thank you so much. And viewers, now you know from where we did that awesome walk. He has been there with us from almost 1 to 5 o'clock now. Hello viewers, it's now bye-bye from Pune. Hope you like the series. Watch out for the Banaras series where we'll tell you how to stay, how to go about in Banaras and what you can see and all the things to eat. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, like and comment. It helps us a lot.